The DNA file. Are we descendants of something not human? In the last decade, over 50 million people around the world have taken DNA tests. They were searching for their roots, their heritage, their history. But inside some of those tests, something appeared. Something no one expected. A tiny marker, invisible to the naked eye, but loud enough to challenge everything we know about human history. The blood that doesn't belong. It was found in just 15% of people tested. And scientists called it Rh negative. It doesn't follow Mendelian genetics. And it doesn't exist in primates. No one can explain where it came from. But one thing is clear, it's not from here. The traits they share, those with Rh negative blood often share peculiar traits, high IQ and usually low body temperature, extra vertebra in the spine, and even the ability to disrupt electronics. Myths written in stone. Thousands of years ago, ancient texts spoke of gods who descended from the sky. They didn't just teach humans, they bred with them. In the Bible, they were called the Nephilim. In Sumer, the Anunnaki, and some believe the blood they left behind is still in us. The blood of kings, elite bloodlines, and their strange connection from ancient Egypt to modern Europe. Royal families fiercely protected one thing above all, their bloodline. It's no coincidence that many of them were Rh negative, selective marriages. Hidden heirs. In 2003, the Human Genome Project mapped almost all of human DNA. Almost 8% of it was labeled junk, but a few researchers believed it wasn't junk at all. It was encrypted, hidden, deliberately buried. One sequence didn't match anything on Earth. The simulation theory. Philosophy meets programming, some now believe. Rh negative blood is proof we're living in a simulation. A test group inserted into the program, designed to observe, to guide, or maybe to reset tech giants and genetic control. Big tech and DNA ownership. Today, companies like 23andMe and Ancestry.com own the DNA of millions. But Rh negative profiles are stored differently, encrypted, protected. Some say it's already patented, others believe it's being weaponized. The final question: so what is Rh negative blood? A mutation, a mistake, or a message from something beyond? If even part of this is true, then history isn't just wrong. It's incomplete, because maybe we're not who we think we are. This is the DNA File.